Yes. One more question na lang, Direk. If ever given a chance, dahil yung Bini, tarang they're rising also, no? If given a chance, gusto nyo rin bumadirect sila in a documentary?
Oh yeah, I'm all open for any story, really, an artist. Actually, yung First Light Studios is I'm putting it as a niche specialization studio for music, documentaries, and these sorts of things lang. Yeah, so I have like some other works in the pipeline. This is very interesting. So, pero secret mo.
Ano nga, Direk, what's next? Sana na pwede nyong i-share? Is it
Wala
going
akong
to be
pwede
a
share,
concert
pero
or...
if you can see, you can check my IG.
Yeah.
It's announced na doon. So, yeah, there's a few things that I'm finishing and like I'm really pushing for long form documentaries.
Yes, it's very good talaga. Congrats, Direk. And again, invite our viewers and also mga 18 fans to watch.
To all 18s, I hope you will enjoy this film as much as I was filming it. I really love this opportunity and I'm really blessed to be working with them, alongside them, and getting to know them. And I'm really hoping that, you know, ma-capture din yung puso nyo and really give you a glimpse of how they really work hard to be the SB19 that you really look up to.
Congrats, Direk!
You know, at their environment, kuway ni Sayan, like yung mga ganong kulitan, and among themselves, even kay Ja, mga shot ni Ja, and even like from the beginning, I was not there talaga, to be honest. So ako onward lang ako from I Want You onwards. And even in the time na there was this issue, I was not there with them. So this whole thing is it cannot happen without, of course, Onesie din, which helps so much. It's really a collaboration. So it's teamwork. Pero I just, watching this actually, medyo medyo emotional ako kasi nakita ko yung growth nila, like parang tatay. Nakita ko yung from before, and then as I was telling still the other day, parang that time na nag-finale na, parang you have your own solo career na, and then from before, you're performing na wala pa, diba? So yung growth talaga doon. And then, that's what basically documentaries about. Point A to point B. And they reach so far na.
Yeah.
And, ayun nga, I mean, it's just, I'm just really thank God na natapos to. And for all the hard work of everybody that they put to here, ayun nga, I'm just really thankful.
Yes. Grabe. And I just wanna say also congratulations again, Direk Jed, and everyone. Kasi, alam nyo, tama po yung sinabi nyo, you can't help but get emotional because kapag masaya sila, nararamdaman mo yung pagod, nararamdaman mo yung anxiety na pinapakita on screen, nararamdaman mo rin yung worries, nararamdaman namin as an audience. So, lalong-lalo na at the end of their journey, on that era, talagang naramdaman rin namin yung saya at yung naging worth it yung pagod. And honestly, as an 18 watching this, parang yung pagmamahal namin, na nagdagan ng isa pang layer, na parang, kaya we can't also help but feel very emotional because we know na you guys, tinatayo niyo talaga yung bandila ng Pilipinas wherever you go, especially for that tour. And so, speaking of the tour, I want to ask you guys, ano yung pakiramdam na nagtutour kayo, tapos mayroong camera, tapos kinakapture yung mga nabibihis kayo, yung pinifigure out yung chain na yon, team building, paano yun? Ano yung naging experience nun? Kakaiba yun, di ba? Na biglang, ay, may mga cameras tayo dito. And you really have no choice to just show and be honest and be real.
Siguro po, the difference kasi po, usually ginagawa rin po namin yun, pero sa vlog. So we are aware na merong ganyan, we need to interact. Pero siguro po with the team ni Direk Jed, medyo actually lahat po kami na kakaiba na minsan, meron palang nag-video na hindi namin alam. So actually ni-request din po namin talaga yon nung napag-decidean nga po na okay, may susunod sa inyo, gagawa tayong documentary. Gusto po sana namin yung hindi harap-harapan kinukunan kami. Kasi po, yun nga, hindi kami magiging parang authentic. Kapag alam namin na, alam niyo po yung magiging conscious kayo pag merong camera. So,
Correct.
kaya natutuwa po kami na dun sa some moments na yon, yung ibang moments na nakunan, talagang hindi namin alam, may camera pala, nakatago sila sa gilid, ganyan po, and sumusunod lang talaga sila. So, ayun po, very thankful din kami na ganun yung kinalabasan.
Yes. Thank you, Justin. Meron din ba sa inyong nakakita ng moment doon na nagulat kayo? Na, ay, nasama pala yun? Or meron din bang moment na medyo naging challenging for you guys to share? Na napanood nyo dito sa documentary ninyo?
I feel like lahat po parang hindi nagugulat kami kasi parang hindi namin maaalala yun ng ganun ka-detailed. Alam mo yun? Kasi ang dami nangyari from pagtatag tour. And from the challenges, marami rin po hindi nakunan, pero marami rin po nakunan. And I feel like yun po yung at least napakita talaga namin yung kung gaano kahirap talaga yung life being an artist. Being a touring artist, hindi siya yung parang iniisip ng iba, pa-perform ka lang,
Yes.
enjoy ng buhay nyo, ganito lang kayo. It's not like that. Ganito po siya kahirap and mas marami pa yung struggles mentally and physically na hindi na ipakita. Pero at least po, nakita nila at least yung kung ano yung most of the struggles na meron kami.
Mm-mm.
Siguro po hindi po siya totally na videohan doon. Pero siguro dahil then love na love ako ng team ko na binibigyan nila ako ng privacy pagdating doon sa ganung bagay. During every time po na nagkakaroon ng very stressful moments, nagkakaroon po ako ng panic attack. Tapos nanginginig po yung buong katawan ko, tapos nasusuka ako.
Mm-mm.
Tapos hindi po ako makakapag-isip na maayos, parang very napahapyawan po siya doon.
Correct. We saw
Pero,
the process.
ayun po habang nasa stage ka, parang hindi naman po pwede basta-basta itigil mo lahat. So,
Correct.
you have to continue despite everything that you've been feeling or experiencing inside. Pero yun po, yun yung isa sa mga mga struggle during the tour.
Yes. That was also very refreshing to see, honestly. Kasi most of us probably will think na SB19 na kayo. Of course, kinakabahan pa ba kayo? Nag-worry pa ba kayo? But actually, you do get anxious before a show. You do feel panic attacks. Nanginginig pa rin yung kamay ninyo. That was very refreshing also, especially for fellow artists to see na it's normal, it happens. You just have to go on.
I feel like yung pinakamahirap po dun yung parang faking it na confident ka. Yun. Kasi manghirap po parang punta ka sa ibang bansa, feeling namin. Siyempre talagang kailangan may impression kami na i-leave sa kanila or sa kahit saang lugar na talagang maaalala nila kami. And napakahirap po nun na fini-fake namin kahit sobrang mamamatay na kami sa anxiousness and kaba bago kami mag-perform.
Also, nagulat rin talaga ako na nakita si Pablo, nagpa-plan siya ng damit. Diba? Hindi talaga namin in-expect. Akala namin, because you're touring, may team na yan, hindi na kayo nag-i-empake ng sarili ng gamit. But kayo actually nag-i-empake ng sarili ng gamit. At grabe. And very nice also to see na with the struggle that you deal with, everything feels lifted kapag magkakasama na kayo. And you kept on mentioning the scouts, namimiss niyo yung kasama niyo sila, and also kapag may audience na or may 18 na, nag-iiba na yung energy ninyo. That was so evident on screen. Grabe. And so, for you guys naman po,